Come and experience the Prince Albert Classic Cruises Club here at one of our regular A&W meets over the summer months. If you have your own classic car, why not stop by and join us in showing off your pride and joy, and let others experience the nostalgia of the past. We would love to have you stop by and experience this awesome family-friendly event. It's a great place to come and catch up with old friends or make some new ones. To find out more information about our next meet and locations, check out our Facebook page for more info or give us a call at 306-961-7259.